The Sweet Croissant Candle, a candle made with real croissant extract, the Sweet Croissant Candle. Hi, I'm Yukiko, an artist from Japan. I worked at a bakery. I was amazed. Bread is truly fascinating. Since then, I've been creating artworks inspired by bread. My signature piece, the bread lamp, captures the warm glow of freshly baked bread. My next challenge is candle. After 2 years of development, it's finally complete. I've always made lamps using real bread. This time, I focused on scent. Developed with an aroma producer and a cosmetics company, it features the sweet, buttery aroma of a croissant. Before lighting, it smells gently sweet. When lit, the rich butter scent fills the air. And right after extinguishing, the most toasty aroma emerges. On top of each candle, we placed a real croissant carefully preserved as an ornament. It's treated against mold and decay so it lasts beautifully. No paraffin is used, only natural soy wax and beeswax. For this project only, we are also offering a croissant lamp with a cord. Each is handmade from a real croissant, created and crafted into a warm, glowing lamp, perfect as a cozy bedside light. Your support for this project will go toward production and development costs as well as an exhibiting in Paris, the home of fragrance and croissant. Thank you for your support.